This video is about squawking 1200, 7500, 7600, and 7700. Do you know the difference between the squawk codes? As I mentioned in the video description, these discrete squawk codes are coming from your transponder in your aircraft, which plays a key role in monitoring aircraft movements to ensure safe separation. The code will show up on ATC radar and allows them to easily identify your aircraft. Each code is 4 digits and assigned by ATC. If you aren't assigned one, the default code should be set on 1200, which means the aircraft is flying under VFR and is not in direct communication with ATC. The standard 1200 VFR squawk code is standard in the United States and Canada. So if you ever hear squawk VFR, it means squawk 1200. The digital transponder is most likely what you'll see, and it's smart to be familiar with a few of the older ones that are out there. Make sure you can quickly find the ident button before you even start the aircraft, because some aren't easily seen like others. If you're asked to ident in flight, ATC is looking for you on radar. When you press the ident button, your aircraft will pulse or blossom on that radar screen, so then they know that they're talking to you when they hear you and when they see you on the radar. A Mode C transponder includes automatic altitude reporting information in 100-foot increments that is converted to a coded digital transmission. Most aircraft these days have a Mode C transponder, but you need to know that there's also a Mode A and a Mode S. Your instructor will go over this more in the classroom setting. Squawking 7500 on an aircraft's transponder is a universal signal indicating a potential hijacking is taking place. It's a way for the pilot to notify ATC of a serious emergency without broadcasting the information over the radio. This triggers a response from ATC and other emergency services, potentially including fighter jets, law enforcement, and airport shutdowns. Squawking 7600 informs ATC that an aircraft has lost radio communication. ATC will then take steps to ensure the aircraft's safe passage, potentially using light signals and coordination with other aircraft. Squawking 7700 means that the aircraft is declaring an emergency to ATC. This is a universal transponder code used to alert ATC that the aircraft is experiencing a problem that requires immediate attention. This could be anything from a medical emergency to a mechanical issue, and it signals to ATC that the aircraft needs priority handling and potentially emergency services. In a nutshell, here's a quick way to remember your emergency squawk codes. 1200 is the standard VFR code in the United States and Canada. If you squawk 7500, think 45 as in a gun being used to hijack. 76, think need a fix as in there's something wrong with the radios. Then 77, think going to heaven as in we are in an emergency.